chromosomal theory of inheritance. Chromosomal theory of inheritance. Chromosomal theory of inheritance. In year 1902, the chromosome movement during meiosis had been worked out. So, and Sutton and Boveri noted that the behavior of chromosome was parallel to the behavior of genes. He noted the behavior of chromosome and the genes was similar, and used chromosome movement to explain Mendel's laws. So here we have to study how the movement of the chromosome takes place, how the movement of the chromosome takes place during the meiosis cell division. The movement of chromosome takes place in both meiosis as well as mitosis cell division, but meiosis is involved in the formation of the gametes. So how the movement of the chromosome takes place? So during the cell division, first stage is interphase. As here, interphase, one is the interphase. In interphase, cell itself prepare for the division. It has three substages: G1, S and G2. G1, S in between, and the G2. In the actually S stage is the sufficient amount of the synthesis takes place. The DNA synthesis sufficient amount of the DNA takes place, and this is the, and after that cell enters into the after that young phase for meiosis as well as mitosis. Here we are studying about the meiosis. So in the meiosis, cell division stage enters into the division, and in meiosis first, it is consists of meiosis first and the meiosis second. So in meiosis first, one stage is the metaphase first. In the metaphase first, what happens? They are the homologous chromosomes are arranged at the equator. Both are arranged at the equatorial plate. Pairs of the homologous chromosome. We have studied about the leptotyne after zygotyne. In zygotyne stage, pairing of the homologous chromosome takes place. Leptotyne, zygotyne, and pachygyne stage, longitudinal spreading of chromosome except the centromere. This is another matter of the. So here, in case of the meiosis, first in metaphase phase, what happens? Chromosomes comes at the equator. Movement of the chromosome takes place to the equator, and in the equator they make two equatorial plates. They are arranged at the two equatorial plates here in the meiosis, in the metaphase first, in the metaphase of the meiosis first, and in the anaphase stage they moves to the opposite poles. They move to the opposite poles. They move to the opposite poles, and the movement takes place by the spindle fibers. Spindle fibers helps in the movement of the chromosomes. So they moves to the opposite poles. So here they moves to the opposite poles, and here in the meiosis second, in the meiosis second, this is the metaphase stage again. So again here they are arranged to the equatorial plate. Here in the meiosis second, they are arranged as a single. There is a single equatorial plate, but here in meiosis second they are arranged as the two equatorial plates are there, and here they are arranged as a single equatorial plates, and the centromere is attached with the spindle fibers, and they moves to the opposite poles here. As in case of anaphase, they move to the opposite poles in this direction. They moves into the opposite poles. So here in this stage, in the metaphase stage, they come together. Movement of the homologous chromosomes takes place towards the equatorial plates. But in case of the anaphase, movement of the chromosome takes place towards the poles. So here they moves to the opposite poles in the anaphase stage of the meiosis second, and in the difference between the meiosis first, in between the meiosis first and the meiosis second is there, and here they in the metaphase they are arranged at the equator at the two equatorial plates, and here they are arranged as a single equatorial plates is there. And in the meiosis, in the metaphase of the meiosis second, after metaphase, in the anaphase, they moves to the opposite poles, and as a result, they form the four germ cells. So in this way, the movement of the chromosomes takes place here towards the equator and away from the equator. In both the direction, movement of the chromosome takes place, and different you have studied in detail about the crossing over, etc., there. So after that, from one cell, 4 daughter cells are produced, and the number of the chromosomes are reduced to half. So this is the movement of the chromosomes. Now, behavior of comparison is given as the behavior of chromosome and behavior of the genes of the factors. As in case of the genes, as you study about the behavior of gene, and you can also ask is as the factors as asked by the Mendel. It is factor as asked by Mendel. Factors as the Mendel as asked by Mendel, and this is the chromosome. Chromosome as asked by the Sutton and Bove. We can write here outside. Factors as by Mendel. So, factors are genes as asked by the factors as asked by the Mendel, but actually these factors are the genes. Factors as asked by Mendel, they occurs in pairs. They occurs in pairs alleles. And the chromosomes, they also occurs in the pairs. They also occurs in the pair. Pairs. Chromosomes also occurs in pairs, and genes or factors also occurs in the pairs. This is the comparison. This is the, you can see here, it is the comparison between genes and chromosomes. Comparison between genes and chromosome as asked by the Mendel and others by the Sutton. Sutton, this is the Sutton and Bove. So factors, they occurs in the pairs. Genes also occurs in the pair, and the chromosomes, they also occurs in the pairs. So factors separate during gamete formation. During gamete formation, the factors separate from each other. Factors are genes separate from each other, and chromosomes, they also separate from each other. Or separate from each other, and factors they segregate segregate independently. The genes segregate or asserted, segregate or asserted or assert independently. Independent as we see capital R and the capital R, it is, or we can say dihydrotrans R Y R Y and small y. They segregate. This R comes with the capital R, comes with capital Y, and the capital R's may come with the small y. In the same way, small r comes with capital Y and small r comes with the small y. In this way, they are the asserted or the segregated independently, and they also asserted independently. They also asserted independently. So in this way, behavior of both genes and the chromosomes are the similar. As you know that the genes are found on the chromosome. When chromosomes are segregated, the chromosomes along with chromosomes, genes are also segregated or separated. So they argue that, so this is the comparison between the genes and the chromosomes. So they argue that they means Sutton and Boveri argued that Sutton and Boveri argued that the pairing and separation of argued that the pairing and separation of a pair of chromosome, pair of chromosome would lead to the segregation of would lead to the segregation of a pair of factors they carry. So during the pairing and the separation of separation of homologous chromosome takes place, at the same time segregation of factors or genes takes place. Both processes take place simultaneously. Since Genes are found on the chromosomes. So when chromosomes are separated, along with chromosomes, genes are also separated. They united the knowledge of they united the knowledge of chromosomal segregation, knowledge of chromosomal segregation with Mendelian principles and Mendelian and called the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Chromosomal theory of inheritance. The chromosomal theory of inheritance. Chromosomal theory of inheritance was chromosomal theory of inheritance was experimentally proved by T.H. Morgan. T.S. Morgan. Experimentally proved by T.H. Morgan. He experimented on fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster. Fruit fly called as the Drosophila melanogaster. Drosophila melanogaster, that is fruit fly. It was the experimental animal and fruit fly. Why he experimented on the fruit fly? There are many reasons. One is they have very less number of chromosomes. Very less number of chromosomes. They have very less number of the chromosome, and It means how much number? 8 chromosomes or 4 pairs of the chromosomes. Or 4 pairs of the chromosomes, so very less number of the chromosomes. Next region would be grown. Second region would be grown on artificial synthetic mediums. Artificial or synthetic? Artificial synthetic medium in lab. Second region is there. There is no need of there the growing any other places, but in the lab and the artificial mediums, they can be established or they can be grown. Short lifespan. Short life period. There is short life period on about 2 weeks. About 2 weeks, so very short life period. So, and next region is there. Single mating. Single mating produces a large number of progeny. A single mating produces a large number of the progeny, and male and female flies can be easily distinguished from each other. So they have many types of hereditary variations. They have many types of hereditary variations. They have many types of hereditary variations that can be seen with low power microscope. Low power microscope. So these are the two reasons. One is very less number of the chromosomes, only 8 pairs, only 8 or the 4 pairs are there. Second would be grown on the artificial or the simple synthetic medium. No any specified synthetic medium is there. Very simple synthetic mediums for the grown, short life period, short lifespan, nearly 2 weeks. Single mating produces large number of progeny. Male and female flies can be easily distinguished from each other. Very easily distinguished between the male and the female flies, and they have many types of the hereditary variations, and that can be seen with the low microscope. So these are the two reasons why we selected the plant. Thank you. That's what.